Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna talk about one eyeshadow palette, all you need in your life. So which is Daily Forever 52 Professional Eyeshadow Palette, and this is Infinite Essential for Beginners eyeshadow palette. मेरे को ये कब से मन था लेने का. Finally I got it on Nykaa sale, and I'm really excited to try this out because it has all the colors you need. See, they have all the kind of glitter shade, they have all kind of burgundy and brown and one deep blackish brown and so many like pink shade, orangish, coral shade and white, and they have some highlighted color and they have some glitter color. They have all kind of shades, all you need in your life as a beginner or as a professional artist. So let's begin. I was thinking of doing some burgundy eyeshadow, like burgundy, not cut crease, but kind of burgundy shade eyeshadow, because it has some cute and really nice burgundy shade, and of course, and they have some glitter, so maybe I'm gonna use that as well. So I don't have any particular look in my mind, but definitely let's see how it's turned out. And मैंने अपना बेस क्रिएट कर लिया है. दिस इज़ हाउ माई बेस इज़ लुकिंग. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद आई शैडो. So very first I'm gonna take this burgundy shade right here on a fluffy, kind of cute fluffy brush. Tap of the axis. I'm gonna place this all over my eyelid first. Like a tapping motion, I'm creating a pigment. Like, तो as you can see, मैंने अपना आई शेडो ओनली क्रीज लाइन के नीचे तक प्लेस किया है, नॉट इसके ऊपर. सो I'm gonna take one transition color like a orangish burgundy kind of shade, like a deep orangish and pinkish kind of shade, and I'm gonna tap on the excess and then I'm just try to blend this out. Then I'm taking one fluffy blending brush and I'm gonna take a little bit lighter shade than this, and I'm gonna diffuse the harsh line of it. And on a thin flat brush I'm gonna take the same deep burgundy shade and I'm gonna apply on my waterline, lower lash line. I'm gonna take a little tapered flat brush, like a fluffy brush, to blend this out, and I'm gonna take the same transition color which I used earlier. Then I'm taking one flat brush and I'm gonna take one shimmery shade which is complementing my this burgundy shade, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the glitter or not, maybe later. So let's apply this first. Nice. Again I'm gonna take this fluffy brush, cute little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take this burgundy shade and little bit mixing with the more deep color to increase the outer corner. Yes, like so. Really excited to try this glitter, so I'm gonna take a bit and let's see. मैं एकदम थोड़ा सा अप्लाई करूँगी क्योंकि मेरे से एकदम रहा नहीं जा रहा है ग्लिटर देख के. सो या थोड़ा सा एकदम लिटिल बिट. I'm not using any eyeshadow primer or anything. I just want to see ki how it's performed without any eyeshadow base or without any eyeshadow primer. I think it's pretty good and pretty cool. It's a perfect bridal eyeshadow palette, guys. I mean, look at the glow, look at the color pigment, it's so good. I'm gonna use one white kajal. This is from Kiko Milano and this is one of my favorite white kajal. So I'm gonna put this on my waterline. The only sad part is that these eyeshadow palette have no black eyeshadow, which is a little bit, this, because every eyeshadow palette should at least have one black or maybe one darkest color to create any wing eyeliner or anything like smoky effect. So I'm gonna use my ColourPop eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this black color. This is a very pigmented black, and I'm just taking it to the pointy brush, and I'm gonna make one wing kind of smudge out thing really closely to my lash line. It instantly lifted my eyeshadow and eyes. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara. So first I'm just curl my eyelashes. Also I have this new mascara from forever52, so I'm gonna really quickly try this out. Love the wand, so teeny, like such a nice thing. Oh my goodness, it's just separate all my eyelashes. I mean, look at this, look at the difference, guys. Loved it. Their mascara is so underrated, but I think it's fab. I think I found my new current favorite mascara. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner a bit. So quick hack for you guys, if you have any mascaras like upar lag gaya ho, you just take a one spoolie and you just grab that, and that mascara goes away. And then you're gonna take your blending brush and you just make sure everything is seamless. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you find it helpful, please do subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.